Hi pupils and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson we are going to learn nouns. If you want to know what are nouns, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So you must be wondering guys, what are nouns and what are they so important in English? And the answer is simple. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It's one of the fundamental building blocks of a sentence as it represents the subject or object of the action. Um, do you remember that previously we saw countable and uncountable nouns? So this topic is related to that. And if you don't know of what I'm talking about, I recommend you to watch my video of countable and uncountable nouns. And you will find that video in this YouTube channel. So, do you remember that I told you that a noun can be a person, any person with any profession, like a pilot, a teacher? Then we have place, a location or area. For example, a school, beach, and city. Then we have the thing, an object or item, book, phone, or car. Idea, a concept or feeling, for example, love, freedom, and success. So now let's see the types of nouns that we have in here. We have the types of noun, for example, to classify the group of people, right? Person, nouns that name people or animals. For example, teacher, doctor, friend, boy, girl, dog, cat, and mother. Any person or animal is a noun. Then we have here some examples. For example, butterfly is an animal. Then we have soldier. This soldier is a person. The teacher, the girl, and the cat is an animal. Then we have another classification of nouns. Nouns of place, right? For example, nouns that name locations like city, park, school, beach, restaurant, library, Paris, and Tokyo or any country is a noun because it's a place. If you see, we have an airplane, passport, ticket, city, and park. All of these are nouns. Then we have thing, nouns that name objects or things. For example, book, pen, chair, car, laptop, phone, table, and window. Anything that you can name as an object, animal, or person is a noun. Keep in mind that. All of these are nouns in a sentence. Chair, pencil, car, and book. And like I said, any city or country can be a noun. For example, Paris, Seoul, Spain, the United States, and any country is a noun. Then we have, for example, idea, nouns that name concepts or feelings. For example, love. This can be also like an emotion, right? Happiness, freedom, courage, peace, success, anger, and wisdom. Let's look more examples. We have here any feeling, thought, or emotion can be a noun. For example, happiness, love, courage, and freedom. Then we have the abstract nouns, concepts, or ideas. Justice, education, creativity, truth, and memory. Then we have here justice and education, right? Then we have here concrete nouns, things you can touch, like to manipulate with your hands, like the phone, right? I can manipulate the phone with my hands. Or see, I'm watching the screen to record this video, right? Then we have here tree, house, dog, mountain, and river. And we have here things that I can touch. For example, the tree and the dog. Then we have here countable and uncountable nouns. So remember that previously we saw a video about this topic, and if you don't know of what I'm talking about, I recommend you to watch my video about countable and uncountable nouns. We have here apples are countables, and rice is uncountable because imagine how many seeds has this bag. I can count them, right? It's like infinity. So that's an uncountable noun. Things that I can't count, even trying to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, it's impossible. So that's uncountable. So now here we have some examples. Guys, now is your time to identify the noun in each example. And I know you'll be like, oh my god, but I can't solve or identify them easily. But don't worry, I'm here to help you and guide you through this process. You are not alone. For example, the teacher works at a school. Hmm. My dog plays in the park every morning. Seoul is a beautiful city. She loves reading books in her free time. He drinks water every morning. So let me know, guys. In each sentence, what is the noun? What is the noun? Write it down below in the comments to know if you understood this lesson and if you now can be able to identify a noun in a sentence. I know. You was maybe thinking, oh my god, I'm alone in here. Of what the hell is she talking about, right? But no, guys, I will help you in this process. You are not alone. And if you need my help, I'd be more than happy helping you. So write down below in the comments if you could identify without help um, where was the noun in any phrase. So we have here in purple, the teacher works at a school. So you should be carefully in this case because if we have here one noun from the beginning and at the end we have two nouns in the same sentence. But keep in mind this, hear me, listen carefully. If the phrase begins with a noun like this one, the teacher works at a school, this means that in this case the teacher is the subject of this sentence. And the school is also a noun, but in this case, grammatically correct. We can say that the school is the noun in the sentence. Because in this case, the teacher is who is performing the action. Why? Because we are telling in this example that the teacher works at a school. So be careful with that, guys. In this case, a school is the noun. Then we have my dog plays in the park every morning. The same, guys. If the phrase begins with a noun, it doesn't matter because we are talking about, and in this case, the dog plays in the park. So he's doing the action. So he can be the noun, right? In this case, the park is the noun. My dog plays in the park every morning. Then we have here Seoul is a beautiful city. In this case, we are talking of giving a description of Seoul, right? So city and Seoul are nouns, but in this case, the city is the noun. Then we have she loves reading books. If you see here, we saw the word love, right? But love also can be a verb, not just an emotion, right? So be careful with that. She loves reading books in her free time. Here the noun is books. Then we have he drinks water every morning. Then we have here water is the noun in this sentence. I know, guys. Maybe you feel it difficult, but don't worry. By the time you will get used to it. So, thank you, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this little capsule of grammar. And now, I hope that you understood a little bit better how a noun works in a sentence. Thanks to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe or send this video to any person who needs to see it. Thank you.